Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chicken onion spaghetti. For this here I have taken 1 heaped cup of boneless chicken, 3/4 cup of capsicum, 1 cup of spring onions, both spring onions white and green part mixed, 2 regular onions but I have divided, 250 grams of tomatoes finely chopped, ginger and garlic paste 1 tablespoon, vinegar 1 tablespoon, hot sriracha sauce 1 tablespoon. This is hot sriracha sauce and this is easily available in the market. 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, salt to taste and 1 cup of ketchup. Here in the pan I have added 4 tablespoons of oil and in the oil I will add 1 onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry till onion is light golden in color. And here in this other skillet I have added half packet of spaghetti. It is boiling. Now onion is light golden in color and now I will add in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ginger, garlic and all the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook till moisture evaporates. Now I have cooked this chicken for 7 to 8 minutes and see moisture has evaporated. I have not added any liquid in this but chicken has released its own moisture. And this chicken is not at all cooked yet. And now I will add in tomatoes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chili sauce, sriracha sauce, soya sauce, ketchup, and vinegar. And now I will cook till tomatoes are completely tender and mashed. I have cooked the tomatoes for 15 minutes and see they are completely tender and mashed and they have turned into a paste. And now I will add in spaghetti. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Remaining 1 onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Spring onions and capsicum. And now I will cook this covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I am removing the lid. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And very scrumptious onion chicken spaghetti is done. I am turning off the flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very simple, quick and easy. Onion chicken spaghetti is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.